She said, based on which wisdom the promised Messiah, peace be on him, has started the Jalsa Salana? Or what is the wisdom of starting Jalsa Salana?
I think it must have been not a definite wahi, I remember, but this was must have been a wahi khafi, because this is a great thing for the whole world of Ahmediyya. But in a way, in the first book, Islam, he has mentioned the Jalsa Salana and the 5 branches.
He has mentioned 5 branches.
One is
the
in which
visitors coming.
Visitors coming.
Yeah.
So based on that, this is why I say it must have been very khafi. Because in that book he mentions that of the 5 branches which I am going to establish in this world on behalf of our God, one is to take care of langar khanas. Many people are going to come. A great number of people are going to come to visit Hazrat Muslim at that time, or his successors later on, so that a regular establishment has to be founded now to take care of all the guests. So from this I think Jalsa Salana was founded on Allah's wahi, and we can see the blessings of Jalsa Salana everywhere in the world.